In this video, we'll show how to use row zero to open files that won't open in Excel. Row zero is a spreadsheet for big data that easily opens files that Excel can't. There's three main reasons why Excel cannot open a file. First is that the file is too big for Excel. Excel has a row limit of around 1,000,000 rows, so if your file is bigger than that, you won't be able to easily open the full file in Excel. Second is that Excel won't open the file type. So several large file formats like parquet or JSON lines or compressed file formats like .gz files won't open in Excel. And then third, there could just be a problem with your file. It could be corrupted, it could have invalid formatting that makes it not open correctly in Excel. This video will show how row zero solves the first two reasons and also share a link in the description for troubleshooting problems with your file. So let's show opening a big file in row zero. So I'm going to go to Data, Import File, and I'll select this CSV file. This is a file of 7.2 million rows of US flight data. It's one row for each flight in the US for 1 year. The option to import it to a new sheet or to a specific cell in an existing sheet. I'm going to import it into a new sheet, and I can see it's done down here. And then I'll click import, and it's going to import into a new sheet. And once the data is in here, row zero works just like Excel or Google Sheets. So I can add filters, I can sort, I can write Excel compatible formulas. So let's just do a quick count if to see how many flights were delayed at least 10 minutes. So you can see easily do that, it's super fast. Also demonstrate quick pivot table. So drop a pivot table on a new sheet and let's look at average flight delay by month. So I can select month as my time and average flight delay. You can see even though it's 7 million rows of data, it's super fast. And we'll just quickly chart this just to take a quick look. So you can see row zero works just like Excel and Google Sheets, can do all your normal spreadsheet work, just way faster in a much bigger spreadsheet. Now we'll show how row zero solves the second reason, which is Excel won't open the file type. Row zero easily opens large file formats like parquet files, JSON lines, and compressed file formats like .gz files. So let's take a look. I'm on the New York City Taxi Commission website, and every month they publish a parquet file of every taxi trip in the city for that month. So I'm going to demonstrate opening this file. It'll actually open via link, so I'm going to copy the link address and go to row zero and import from URL, paste the link address, hit next, and this is going to import my parquet file. Import it into a new sheet, and you can see that imported super fast. Even though it's a large file, it's over 4 million rows, but it easily imported into the sheet. So as you can see, row zero makes it very easy to open large files and large file formats that you can't open in Excel. You can try row zero for free at rowzero.io and see why row zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.